just going for it.
Jessie, go carefully
Yeah.
because you don't want to break the skin.
Oh, just stop, will you?
She's breaking the skin.
Okay, which one am I looking at? You or you? Okay.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Remember when I came to your house, I had to cook my own meal?
Oh, shush.
Is that what? Oh, is this what's happening today? Okay, perfect.
So we'll do yours today.
Welcome to the test kitchen. Yeah, today
Yeah,
you're
we're
cooking.
doing the
You're
cooking.
Welcome to our Christmas special with Jessie and Lennie, who have come to. You come tell us what your Christmas looks like.
No, I've
right?
come to spend a few hours with you and smell the food and eat. Yeah. But yes, it's a pleasure to be here.
It's so you normally do the interviews. I'm going to do the interviews
I know.
today.
Well, we'll see about that.
Yeah.
Jessie
Yeah,
won't
yeah.
allow them.
So what's your Christmas like at home? Do you do Christmas?
We do.
We do everything.
do all
We do
holidays.
everything. We're
Yeah,
currently
yeah.
on Hanukkah. We're doing
Yeah.
that. So the kids had donuts this morning.
Brilliant.
And I'm already planning my stuffing for Christmas. So this looks
So
like.
you might do this stuffing. So
I think I may.
So
Yeah.
tell me, do you have like a traditional stuffing?
Well, I
Well,
usually do
Mum's.
them.
Yes.
What's in your
okay.
stuffing?
So
Apricots.
chestnuts,
Mm-hmm.
apricots, put cranberries and all different herbs in.
I love it.
And lots of onions and stuff that down the end. So it's like a sausage meat.
It's everybody's favorite, isn't it? I've heard you say the word umami.
Yes.
That is very
Just
good.
learnt
It
that
means
this
you love
year,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, well, that's very good. So this is full of umami. So we're
Yeah.
adding miso. Shall we start?
Yes,
And then
please.
we'll talk because otherwise it's just
Yeah.
we're gonna get nowhere today, and then
Okay.
just the elves will do all the work. Here's an onion.
Yep.
Here's
Yeah.
an onion.
Okay.
Here's a knife. Here's a knife. We're gonna do a stuffing. So
How do you want it?
apricot.
Sorry.
Let me
Just
finish.
start. Okay.
It's just because you normally run the show, you think you
Yeah.
run the show here, but today I'll run
No,
the show. Yeah.
fine.
So we've got an apricot
Yeah.
and mushroom stuffing, and we're gonna do a turkey. We're gonna smother it with butter with curry leaves. Curry leaves butter. So it's a slightly different approach. So curry leaves and dried chilies, all that goes over the turkey. So
Can you tell me everything that's over there?
so we've got dried bread. Then we've got pecans. We're gonna use some lemon zest. We talked about the miso,
Yeah.
dried apricot.
Yeah.
That liquid.
That liquid is brandy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And you're stuffing.
Yeah, radical. An apple.
Of course.
So if you want to start just chopping up the onions.
Okay. How
Yeah.
would you
Do
like
just
it?
want
Chopped.
diced?
Just chopped up, chopped up. It's
Now I'm
stuffing.
like feeling very underprepared. I'm not a great chopper, okay? It's not like Kendall Jenner with a cucumber, but it's like, whatever.
You're a good chopper. You're a really good chopper. So how was the tour?
The tour was amazing. I ate so well. I mean, for me, if I'm going to travel and be away from the kids, I'm going to make the most of the late nights and eating well.
What bit of Australian food did you love?
So I did have a really good lobster roll at a place called Super Normal. And
Oh, Super Normal,
Yeah,
I
it's
know that
good.
place. You could grate the apple. So it's celery, apple, onion. I'm just warming up the oil there. And we're going to just start really sauteing all the vegetables.
It's olive oil, isn't it?
It's olive oil,
Yeah.
the best oil, the only oil.
I love this because I feel like lots of people can maybe get fatigued by the traditional turkey and stuffing, and I feel like this is just a really sexy way.
Why do you dry your breadcrumbs? Because I would.
I think, well, why do you want, because otherwise it will get too mushy. I'm going to finally chop this rosemary. You can add all the onion.
Okay.
You sweat out
Okay.
your celery, your onion.
Yeah.
I'm going to crush some garlic in there. So all these kind of things. So now we're adding sweetness. Essentially, what is nice about a stuffing is that it's kind of sweet, isn't it? Now I'm adding some of the mushrooms, not all of them. Some
Should
now.
I not stir too much because they're mushrooms?
You
or
are
not?
such a pro.
Thanks.
You are such a
Thanks.
pro.
I want to be a good student.
So Sam loves
Sam loves
a
Christmas.
long Christmas. He grew up
He-
with Christmas,
yeah.
and it's kind of his thing.
He loves it, and he takes
happy
it very
we're not going
seriously.
away.
Does
Yeah,
he?
like he's happy we're not going away because Mum and I like to go
Somewhere
to hot
hot.
places. Last year we were like in a Club Med in Dominican Republic. This smells delicious. You've put lemon zest in.
I did. I added a bit of lemon zest. Fine.
I'm yamas.
Cheers.
Cheers. Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, so I'm doing this right. I'm putting it in the calendar. This is the stuffing that's happening on Tuesday.
Jessie, I think miso is the new Marmite, but I wouldn't put Marmite in stuffing. So
You wouldn't put Marmite in stuffing. I would.
You
Actually,
would?
yeah. So we're having like the mushrooms. These are broken down, which
Yeah.
is absolutely fine. But
Yeah.
these are going to stay a little
Okay.
bit, keep their shape a little bit more. So
Yeah.
this bit doesn't get as cooked down as that. That will go in the oven. So mushroom sliced, dried bread, apricots, pecan nuts. All
Yeah.
that is in here. When this gets just slightly more color, we're
Yeah.
going to add some miso and we're going to reduce this brandy.
This is it.
and
Fine,
tell me,
fine
so
by
what was
me.
the highlight of your tour?
Highlight of my tour was, well, the wonderful crowds and selling out Ali Pali twice. That was amazing. And the audience, my audience is amazing. We have so
You
much
have the
fun.
best audience,
They
right?
are.
Because
I
they
mean-
engage with you so much. I
like,
saw the videos. It's like
they're amazing.
They are on fire.
They're amazing. I mean, your
yeah.
time, you were at one of my earliest, my first tour in America, you were at.
In
And
Boston, Massachusetts.
In Boston.
When Carl and I were waiting for Max.
And I was trying to set you up with my brother,
Your brother.
which was stupid when
She
you were
was
waiting
on
for
stage
your
and she
child
said
to be
that
born.
she's gonna. Her brother is single and I was there with my own husband.
I didn't know that at the time, and I
front
couldn't
of
see
everybody.
Carl because I was on stage.
You haven't met Carl yet.
I
don't
hadn't
you?
met Carl, but yeah.
At that
So
stage.
yeah, my crowd's amazing.
So I've added the brandy. Come smell that.
I can smell it from here.
It's so good, right?
Yes, it's great.
No, it's the alcohol is being cooked away, so we don't worry about that. Suitable.
Oh yeah, it's really. Oh yeah, that's crimbo now.
Smells
Delicious.
good, right? So
Delicious.
now I'm going to add this to that.
You know, I've made your ciabatta and courgette frittata about
So good.
5 times.
So I'm just going to put a bit of oil on top so it helps the crispening up of the bread. That takes about 25 minutes, half an hour to crisp. Jake is the elf of the stuffing.
Hi, Jake.
Thank you.
Pickled onions.
Yeah. Oh, you're brilliant. Thank you.
Is that
You
going
see
on top?
how good it is?
Jessie, if I had a Jake, I would be very calm.
So then we're going to have this onion that's been kind of lightly pickled with lemon juice, and we've got parsley, and I'm going to add a bit of salt.
I'm doing this on Christmas Day.
Are you doing it?
I'm doing it.
She's sold. So now we're doing turkey.
I've never thought of spatchcocking.
A turkey.
No.
Well, so first of all, it really saves you time on
Yeah,
the
cooks
cooking,
quicker.
and it cooks a bit more evenly. And I quite like the look of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we need the curry leaves, so that's the main thing, right? Smell is amazing.
Your time, is this a dry house?
How many do you need?
We need a lot,
Okay.
so you can just go. It's really easy to get them off. So we're making a curry leaf butter, and I've got some grated lemon zest here, and all this softened butter goes in as well. Flake chili, and quite a bit of salt. That's all good to go.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
I don't think we need all. It just goes from this side. There we go. And we'll take and move that to a bowl so it's just easy to smother. So who wants to get their
I'll do it.
hands
You
dirty?
do it. Your brother's going to do the potatoes.
Well, he's a doctor.
He knows what to do with
I-
potatoes.
Is he a doctor?
Did I not mention
You
it?
didn't mention.
I put Marmite in my potatoes.
Delicious.
Yeah?
Delicious.
Thanks. Okay, great.
Vegemite. So try to get your fingers under the skin, both of the legs. So you just open that. Actually, it comes loose quite easily. Go on, stick your finger in there.
Okay, great. I'm not as I'm really impatient, so I'm just going for it. I
Jessie,
hope that's
go
okay.
carefully
Yeah.
because you don't want to break the
Oh,
skin.
just stop, will
She's
you?
breaking the skin.
She
It's
might
fine.
break
Yeah.
the skin
I'm
if
doing
she's
it, and I'm
too-
doing it quickly.
Yeah, you've got to do it carefully,
No, you
darling.
don't
Why?
rush it.
Why?
Because
Yeah,
this
because
cooking
patience.
I'm
is
always
all
in a
about
rush.
patience. So we want to get quite a lot in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you press it with the skin, so you go like.
I may have cocked this spatchcock up. Hold on.
No,
one
you
sec.
have done a great job.
Right, but how do you get into that little?
So the idea
Shove your
is that you
fingers down,
take
darling.
some. Does she always backseat drive you?
So much, but then I do the same with her.
She's
so
terrible. Whatever I cook, Yotta,
I give
she
her
always
feedback.
she says, it's really good, Mum, but...
But have you done a good job?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't think you did.
No, Jessie, I'm glad Yotam said that because I can
You-
see it. And
just
I
drink
kept-
your
I
champagne,
just kept
lady.
quiet.
Okay, so now we're getting it over, which is fun, isn't it?
It's very
this
fun.
Is fun.
It's
This
Jessie,
is-
the wing,
this-
darling, the wing.
Yeah, let's leave a little.
And the side, down the side there.
Will you be doing your turkey like this?
That's
Carl
just
gets really
chilli.
upset when he says that I poncify Christmas.
Poncify Christmas.
The turkey will go on the rack, And then we're going to put the rack on one of the, a little bit over the tray.
Then it drips.
So it drips onto the vegetables. And we can use the drippings from the turkey to create the gravy. So hold on 1 minute. Let's see. I think that this
looks amazing.
That is amazing. It's dark.
That
so
looks
great. It got a little bit of crispy topping, and then we're gonna use this wonderful salsa to finish it off. You open the oven.
Okay.
Okay, go.
The oven is open.
So that goes there.
That goes there. So that goes kind of in the middle.
And then what would you
and
put
then
that there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put
As
it
low
there.
as that?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Back
And
off,
then
Lennie.
starting on 230,
Yeah.
and I'll give it half an hour, and then I'll take it right down to about 160 and leave it there as long as it needs to be there.
Okay.
2 hours roughly. We'll see how it goes.
Any tips for your gravy?
Any tips for my gravy? Okay.
Any zhuzhi, ponzi
And
buying?
something like a sweet alcohol, like a bit of port or something like
okay.
that goes really helps. Okay.
Something smells absolutely. It's that, isn't it?
It's that. It does smell really nice.
Smells amazing.
It smells umami.
Very good.
Oh, wow.
So we've got the onions that have been lightly pickled with the lemon juice and salt, and there's some parsley chopped up. So should we eat?
Yes.
I'm taking it.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
This looks heavenly, colourful, delicious. Fried curry leaves on there.
So can we
Parmesan
interrupt
parsley. Yes.
by adding our little? So we've
Look at that.
Put some gravy over
this your
here.
stuffing. You made the stuffing.
Oh yeah.
I didn't.
You guys.
Yeah.
I chopped an
No,
onion.
you
I
did.
will be making it
This
on
is what I say
21st.
to my kids. Like even if they chopped like one slice of cucumbers, that you made that dish.
Sweet.
Should we do this?
Yes.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, yes, I got two.
I got
Here, you
nothing.
can have one.
I got nothing. After
too.
making the stuffing, I
Somebody
get
is going
nothing.
to have to share.
Are these Ottolenghi crackers?
Your Ottolenghi crackers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put these on, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Right.
What colour is it? Ooh.
They're all the same color. Oh.
All right, Mum,
I
go.
did not make them up.
What do snowmen wear on their heads? Ice caps.
Nice caps.
What song do you sing at a snowman's birthday
For
party?
you.
Yeah. What song do you sing at the snowman?
Freeze a jolly good fellow. That's quite good.
That is
That's really
very
good.
good,
That's very
actually.
good.
Should I
so
serve you
much.
some food?
Yeah.
Yes.
Lenny, can I have your plate? I'll
Yeah,
give
may
you some
have
nice
you can.
already gone in on the potatoes.
Help
Thank
yourself.
you. Should we just help ourselves to the other bits?
For the other bits, yeah, I'll do
Okay,
the turkey
fine.
honors.
I'm being polite.
Here we go.
We need 10 people working.
Yeah.
What will be your playlist on Christmas Day?
It's going to be all Jessie Ware songs from start to finish.
What is on your playlist?
I set that up.
Yeah.
Correct answer.
Correct.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Let me try.
Yeah.
I've got to have my stuffing. Excuse me.
Oh, I didn't do stuffing.
No, but it's okay. It's my stuffing. It's fine.
It's the stuffing of dreams.
The stuffing is great. I love this Christmas meal. It is so delicious.
Me too.
It feels really sexy and exciting.
Is
I tell you why, because everything looks good, and normally at a Christmas table, a lot of things don't look good. This is amazing that you came here. It was so much fun.
thank you.
And it's just such a Christmassy moment, even though we're a few days away from Christmas. It's incredible.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Thank you so
Christmas.
much for having
Thank
us.
you.
This is absolutely delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. The recipe is down below. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.